Lolu hlelo lugcile ekutheni bantfu bagome. Lo mlayeto ungulosebaleni, akekho umuntu lekumele asalele ngaphandle kulokugoma. Kanti bashayeli bematekisi nabo balenzela lolu bito. Patricia Shangelo neminyaka lengama-53 uyingcenye yabo.
Vaccination is very, very important to my life, even to my family.
Shangelo neminyaka lengama-20 kulomkhakha logcwele bantfu labaduna. Ungumake webantwana lababili lonenhloso yokuvikela abantwana bakhe kanye nebagibeli.
People are dying every day, every hour.
Labanye lasebenta nabo labekade bahudula tinyawo ekuqaleni sebavumelana naye nyalo.
Besabi kuyongena ngaphakathi kodwa mabeze kithi sesijovile nama passengers waqhuquzela ukuthi ehambe eyojova khona sizogibela emateksini si right sonke.
I was just afraid to come and take a vaccine. But today, since the morning, I was here at the bar. But now the time comes to say I must go and take the vaccine.
Labagibeli nabo sebathethe lithuba ukuthi bagome.
Very happy about that. When the taxi driver they vaccinated, and me also.
I needed to vaccinate because I'm working where I'm dealing with old age, disability.
I feel very happy about what happened because this coronavirus is affecting all over the world.
Tikhulu tibukene nempi yokungahambisani negoma nekhishwa kwelwati lolungasilo liqiniso.
We are pleased that most of the men are taking the vaccine, and we are seeing an increase in the numbers right here, and this is confirmed by the health officials that the response is quite good.
Kuyaqala kusasa kugoma kwebantfu labasha labaneminyaka leli 18 kuya kulabo labaneminyaka lengama-34.